Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 3 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy. How do you say this in Chinese? There's a teacher upstairs. 楼上有一个老师。Now, how do you say this? There's a cup of coffee on the table. 桌子上有一杯咖啡。Now let's change things a little bit. Instead of saying there's a teacher upstairs, how do you say there's a teacher living upstairs? And how do you say there's a cup of coffee placed on the table? A little bit different, isn't it? Because this is there is with action. But is it important to be able to say this? Is it important to be able to specify what action caused the teacher to be upstairs? Well, yes, if the teacher is living upstairs, then this is an apartment. But if the teacher is working upstairs, then this will be a school. The action conveys a lot of information that explains why the person or object is there. So how do you say there is a teacher living upstairs? We can use the construction location plus verb 这 a noun. As an example, location here is 桌子 table, and the verb is 放 to place. 这 and the noun is 一杯咖啡 a cup of coffee. 桌子上放着一杯咖啡。There is a cup of coffee placed on the table. 桌子上放着一杯咖啡。Another one. 我家楼上住着一个老师。There's a teacher living upstairs from my home. 我家楼上住着一个老师。Another one. 上面写着320元。320 yuan is written on it. 上面写着320元。Basically, you just replace 上面有320元 with 上面写着320元。You replace the 有 with 写着。上面写着320元。Another example, instead of saying 这上面有西瓜不甜不要钱，You can use verb 着写着，这上面写着西瓜不甜不要钱。Another example, the title of the lesson, 桌子上放着很多饮料。So there you have it. To express there is, use location, verb 着 noun. 桌子上放着很多饮料。To negate that, there's not, simply add 没 in front of the verb. 桌子上没放着咖啡。我家楼上没住着老师。Let's take a look. 桌子上放着什么？对，桌子上放着很多饮料。我要喝一杯。哎，没有了。现在桌子上放着饮料吗？桌子上没放着饮料。Another example. There's nothing written on it. There's no price tag written on it. 上面没写着多少钱。If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK 3 video course, which includes 187 videos that will teach you grammar and vocabulary, help you complete pair activities, and test your writing with dictation exercises. This course also comes with quizzes, interactive flashcards, and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK 3 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore. The first unit of each course is available as free preview. Just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen.
Keep in mind that once you buy a course, you have it forever. Say goodbye to monthly subscription fees. Buy once, enjoy forever, plain and simple. The pricing is very affordable. Join us on the way to Chinese mastery, and I'll see you in the course.